I am here to tell you all that our one true God who lives in heaven and oversees everything will save you.
It's not true you alone. Now I don't know why. People of Umuofia. We need a place where we can stay together and worship our God. People of Umuofia. Why? As I was saying, we would like the people of Umuofia to give us a land where we could gather and worship, like a place of worship, a piece of land where we can declare and worship. Are they intending to give us the land? Yes.
Jesus, yeah.